Want to convert PDF files to Excel spreadsheet? In this tutorial video, you will find the complete guide to convert PDF files into Excel spreadsheet. I'll tell you the most reliable method by which you can easily convert PDF to Excel. Let's discuss in detail. Benefits of Excel over PDF file. Handling data management in Excel is easier than PDF because Excel is mainly used to store and calculate data. Data accuracy is maintained in an Excel spreadsheet. Excel saves lots of time and resources. Converting in Excel can be used for visual purposes. Data becomes usable with conversion. When we are talking about converting a PDF file into Excel, we should keep in mind that this conversion can be done both manually or with the help of automated software. Just relax. In this video, we'll discuss both methods of conversion. Firstly, open MS Word on your PC. Then drag a PDF file to Word. Now, manage the data in tabular form. Copy all the data from Word. Now, open Excel on your PC. Finally, paste all the data into Excel and manage the sheet by yourself. Some limitations occur while applying the manual solutions. MS Word is not able to open the PDF file that contains the higher numbers of pages. It also required some technical knowledge to manage these formats. If you are not able to convert these files by manual solutions, I suggest you go with a professional solution, which people generally use to convert PDF to Excel. The direct solution to convert PDF files to Excel is SysInfo PDF Converter tool. This tool allows users to convert PDF files into Excel and 20+ other file formats with 100% data accuracy. Now let's move towards the working of software. Download the software from the link given in the description. Launch the SysInfo PDF Converter tool on your PC. Click on Add Files to add PDF files. Select the PDF file which you want to convert from your system, and click the Open button. In this step, you can preview your selected files. Now, click on Log Path to add the destination path for the log report. Select the destination path to save the resultant file. Click on the Next button for further process. In this step, select the document formats from the drop-down menu. The selected format is XLX and XLM. Go to Save Attachments in the subfolder to download the attachments files separately. Now, click on the Convert button to start the conversion of the PDF file into Excel sheet. Once it's completed, download the report and exit the software.
Thank you for watching the video. For more such updates, subscribe the channel and follow us on Facebook, Twitter, and LinkedIn.